everyone! I was just enjoying a quick glass of milk before my story time. Oh, have I got something on my face? Oh, shoot. Let me just wipe it off real quick. Oh. I don't know. I'm sorry about that. Oh, let me just, 1 second. Get rid of it. Oh. That was pretty silly. I guess I'm feeling silly today. And to celebrate, I'm going to share a silly story. Moe's mustache. I still have some milk mustache on my face, don't I? Okay, let's clean this up, guys. Look at all these cool mustaches. They're so silly. Did you know there are, on average, 600 hairs in one mustache? Of course, there are some amazing mustaches out there with more, some with less. That is on average. Let's start the story, huh? Huzzah, says the little monster-looking thing there. Moe's Mustache by Ben Clanton. Moe just got a mustache, a big, black, beautiful mustache. Not unlike the one I was just sporting. Everybody likes Moe's mustache. Oh yeah, this fuzzy one goes, wow, a heart from this little guy. This one says, it's superific, awesome, dude, I say, what a splendid mustache, nicely trimmed, says this lizard-looking guy. That's Knot, and now Knot has a mustache. Ah, says Moe. Oof, Tutu has a mustache too. And Dot, she got a small one. Oh, Moe says. Nib got a pink one. There it is. Groovy. Bob, Bill, and Ben all got extra long and super squiggly mustaches. They were on sale. What? Says Moe. Now everybody has a mustache. Says Moe. Beautiful mustache. Ditto, looking good. I say that is one tip-top mustache. Wow. Okay, everyone's really excited about their mustaches, but what about Moe? Moe's mustache no longer feels so big, black, or beautiful. Oh, so Moe says goodbye to his mustache. What has he done here? It looks like he has taken it off and packed it up. Farewell, old pal, Moe says. Huzzah. Poor little Moe. He looks sad there to say goodbye to his mustache. But what does he do here? He says hello to a nice new scarf. Huzzah! A long-lined, lovely scarf. Comfy and cozy, too. Stylish. But soon Dot has a scarf. Ah! Really? Tutu has one, too. Knot is nicely knotted. Ah! And booyah! Nib has one with tassels. Look at Moe. He looks a little frustrated there. Bring back my scarf, you little monsters! Bob, Bill, and Ben borrow a scarf from a snowman, and it fits perfectly. Soon, everybody has a scarf. Even Imp, the invisible monster, has a scarf, also invisible. Moe is not amused. Fantabularific scarf. Awesomeness, snazzy dude, wow, hot dog, I concur. What? Why is everybody copying me? A really angry Moe wants to know. Oh, these monsters, they all look pretty startled at Moe's anger and frustration. Well, everybody explains. This one says, you're trenderific. Dude, you're one hip, happening hombre, a fashion guru. Wow! You're a visionary, you're top-notch, a gentleman of style. These are all very nice things to say about Mo. Oh, Mo says he'd never thought of it that way. He says, well, thanks. I think you're stylish too. Suddenly, Mo has an idea. He says, hey, let's have a fashion show. Nib rocks socks. Look at all those little socks on his 4 feet. Tutu is terrific. Dot's hat is all the rage, and her shoes. Wow, those are high heels for a little tiny fluff ball. Nod's bow tie is top notch. Bob, Bill, and Ben go naked, and Imp does too. But the star of the show is, who do you think? Mo! Back with his mustache, his scarf, and his brand new afro. Vintage 1970. Huzzah, Mo says. Thanks for joining me for that really silly, fun story time. Now, you should have received a craft kit with a bunch of mustaches. You can pick out your favorite, ask an adult to help you cut it out, and then glue it to the top of your popsicle stick so you have a mustache too. See you next time.